In yesterday class, we already learned about the what is meant by microorganisms or microbes with the definition. And microorganisms are mainly classified into four types: bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoans. And we already seen the example for the bacteria, algae, fungi, and protozoans. And we also learned about the viruses and example for the viruses and diseases caused by the viruses. In today's class, we learned about the where do microorganisms live and what are the useful microorganisms or harmful microorganisms. In today's class, we will see. And first, where do microorganisms live? And the first we can learn about the microorganisms are single-celled organisms. Microorganisms are single-celled organisms. Microorganisms are single-celled organisms. In microorganisms, all are not single-celled organisms. Algae and protozoans are multicellular organisms. In microorganisms, algae and protozoans are multicellular organisms. Microorganisms are single-celled organisms, and in microorganisms all are not single-celled organisms. Algae and the protozoans are multicellular organisms. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms, you can see they live in the every environment or anywhere. Microorganisms live in cold condition or in a hot condition or hot springs. Microorganisms live in cold and hot springs. Microorganisms live in cold condition and in hot springs. And microorganisms live in desert also. Next, microorganisms are also live in human body. Microorganisms are present in human body also. And microorganisms are also present in human body. Present in the human body. Next, microorganisms are useful to human beings, and useful microorganisms in our daily lives. Useful microorganisms. And the microorganisms are used to convert the milk from curd. Microorganisms used to milk to curd. Which bacteria used to convert the milk to curd? Lactobacillus. Bacteria. Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus. And some microorganisms are used to clean the environment. They are also called as the scavengers. Some microorganisms are used to clean the environment. Some are used to clean the environment. Example: organic waste or dead and decayed animals. Organic waste and dead and decayed animals are remaining elements. And some microorganisms are used to increase the soil fertility. Some microorganisms are useful to increase the soil fertility. Increase the soil fertility. And some are used to fix the nitrogen. Some microorganisms are used to fix the nitrogen to the plants, that are called as the biological fixers. Some are used to fix the nitrogen to the plants. And some bacteria or some microorganisms are used to prepare the wine or alcohol. Some bacteria are used to prepare the alcohol and wine. And here we come across the one word, that is fermentation. What is fermentation? When sugar is converted into wine or alcohol, it is called as the fermentation. What is your fermentation? What do you mean fermentation? When sugar is converted to alcohol or wine, is called as the fermentation. When sugar is converted to wine or alcohol, is called fermentation. And some microorganisms are useful in medical field. Example: antibiotics. Some are useful in the medical field. Some are useful in the medical field that is antibiotics. Example, penicillium. What are the use of the microorganisms? Microorganisms are used in the conversion of milk to curd by the bacteria called as the lactobacillus, and some are used to clean the environment, are called as the scavengers to clean the environment. Examples are and organic waste and remaining dead and decayed animals, and some are useful to increase the soil fertility, and some are used to fix the nitrogen from the environment to the plants, and some bacteria are used to prepare the alcohol and wine in the large scale industry, and some are useful in the medical field that are the antibiotic. Example, penicillium. Thank you. The next class we learn about the